สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Today I will show you how to create this Plumeria flower here. See there? By using daikon radish. And I already cut out about an inches and a half height of daikon radish. We're gonna create Plumeria. This type, there's many type of Plumeria, but this is the one I'm gonna show you today. So let's get started. After you have cut out a disc of radish here, we're gonna create the center of the flower to make a little hole to create this type of flower here. I'm using this spoon here. In Thailand, we have this little spoon here. If you don't have this type, you can use either this YouTube shape to cut the circle or make a hole, or using a carving knife to do that, to create that center of the flower. So I'm gonna use this, let me see, use this the end of the spoon here, insert that and make it swirl and create this hole in the center of my radish here. This Thai spoon is quite sharp here, not sharp enough to cut your finger, but sharp enough to scrape off the radish here pretty well. After you have the depth that you need, about half an inch, just deep into that, you can divide this into 5 sections. Again, I'm going to divide a Y, letter Y, dividing by making first mark, second mark. You have to keep an eye on the center of the circle of the vegetable here and kind of eyeball it, and then you're going to get 5 sections. So make your first cut, second cut probably here. Okay, then after you have that, draw a center line and then drag it to the bottom. That's create a letter Y. Okay, this letter Y, and half of that section is half. It'll be easy, equal part of cutting, dividing out. Okay, then you get 5 portion out of it. Let me put it aside so we'll block it the way here. After that, we're gonna cut a scoop cut on this edge here. So we're gonna go ahead and scoop cut from one point to another, deep into the side of the radish here, like that. Okay. The depth that you cut is determined, the petal is hanging down. So if you feel like some of them not quite exactly perfect, you go back. You need to scoop cut all the way to close to the hole here and make a little smooth at the end. So keep an eye on that bottom part, because this determines the length of your petals. Okay, see what I mean here? Line it up. Continue. Make sure they're nice and rounded shape here. So you're supposed to have something like this, so it will like smooth into the section here. It's not gonna have like a sharp corner, okay? I might need to go down a little bit more. Okay, once you have that, you're gonna carve a petals. Let me see, this one not quite the way I want it. Okay, you see the section? You're gonna insert your knife into this crease here and then drag a circle, create a petal all the way down here at the bottom of the vegetable that you cut. You might go up, but I'm not comfortable with that, so I stop here and I go back on the other side and drag it to meet that cut. If you're not comfortable do the way I did, you just go back and turn it, okay? Again, the next one, a little round shape, follow that shape. Let's see if I can do it to show you. And then you're gonna curve it, go up. See, mine is not curved, I can see that, but I'm gonna trim it off, reshape it, because I'm not comfortable going up like that. Again, we continue to do that till you finish all 5 petals. When you carve, you're not gonna go bring the petal all the way up here. That means your petal gonna be square, okay? Make sure you drag it and cut off this corner here. Round the shape. Don't go up all the way to the top, okay? Now, I'm finished. You can't tell, but it's finished. You're gonna stick your knife in there, and underneath that, you're gonna trim it out, this little odd piece here. See, I didn't cut it all the way. Sometimes don't come out, you take out little pieces. Okay. It's very quick and easy, this type of flower, and you can color them according to the real natural color that they have. You go back to Google and take a look at this type of flower, and you can color them yellow, white, pink, purple, red. They have many colors of this Plumeria flower. Okay, voila, you finished. See there? Easy? Now, let's see. Now it's the fun part. We have to take this flower to shape like this, like a cone shape. You see the back? Can you see there? Okay. If you want a longer stem, you have to cut the vegetable a little longer, but this is the size I want. So I'm gonna cut it, run my knife, and make a circle. Make sure you go underneath there. Don't cut it too much all at once, because you gotta go back and shape them like a cone shape. Okay. This is the side that you're taking out for now. then you turn him back and then start shaping it. Use the heavy duty carving knife. If you don't have it, fine, you can use paring knife, or this carving knife. I use my heavy duty one to save on my expensive knife. So you're gonna trim that out by cutting from the bottom up. Make sure that you look like this and nothing blocking the wheel. If it is, go back and reshape it. Okay, now go back and reshape it smaller. Okay, there you go. Finish. Nice and easy and beautiful. See there? Finish. Now I'm gonna use my paper towel and kind of pat it dry before I'm start painting the Plumeria here. And if you feel like some of the area is not quite perfect, go back and reshape them any way you like. See there? Okay. I'm using food coloring here. I'm gonna show you the pink one this time by using the red, because I used the yellow last time. I'm using the liquid food coloring. I'm just gonna dab a tiny bit of food color. Into my, oh, it doesn't come out. My little bowl here. Okay, and I'm gonna dab some water, kind of lightly dabbing this food coloring and color it from the inside. Use this little paint brush here. Okay, they might look not too good, but you take your paper towel, just kind of wipe it out and drag it outward to the petal side. It will smear out this pink. Okay, and I'm gonna keep a little light wash. Okay, then a little edges, run along the edges. You may use your finger if you like. There you go. Did you see it? Let me put this aside here. You have the red one and the yellow one. Easy and simple Plumeria flower here. The red color doesn't take it very well from the radish here, but at least you give a little nice color. Let us see if I can damp this, and let's see, it might look better. Okay, a little lighter there. See? What do you think? Easy and simple. Plumeria flower here. I hope you enjoy this little short technique how to create this Plumeria flower carving. Thank you for watching, and you stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.